Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. Super excited today to show you this all new boat from Nautique. This is what we've been waiting to see. This is the G23 Paragon. It's an absolutely phenomenal boat. This particular one we did order with the anthracite metal flake on the outside with white and some black accent. Just a beautiful boat. If you can see it, hopefully the video will show you a little bit. It has all these different lines and edges and just a massive boat. This is a little bit bigger than the G23 and G25. The rub rail comes up a little bit higher. Nice deep freeboard. Very dry boat on big water. So we're really excited about it. You can see it just pops with the metal flake, the light on it, just beautiful. Come back to the aft of the boat. A few different things. First of all, we'll show you is the all new NSS system for the Paragon especially. It is a lot taller from here to here, so they did design it with the aspects of the G23 and the G25, but really improved it, made these plates a lot bigger. Still has the great NSS system where it does pop out, but it does pop out a little bit further now on the Paragon. You can see it still has the surf pipe. We've got underwater lights. This one does have the optioned steer assist. That is still an option for this boat if you don't want to have it. But if you do, it is a really, really nice thing to have. Being able to back up and reverse in a straight line. You can spin the boat in a 360. Really, really nice. They did add a little bit different platform in the back. Got a cool cup holder here. You got a nice grab handle, so if you're sitting in the water, it's a little easier to get up with the grab handle as well. So why don't we go up into the boat and take a look at all the other features of the Paragon. Welcome to the transom of the boat. A lot of different things that happened here. Obviously, we got the nice seats in the back. So if you do want to chill and just hang here, you got the nice seat on both sides. Something that they did here is you can just click it up with your foot. You can get to your storage compartment. Obviously with Nautique, this is all subfloor ballast, so I can fit boards, anything that I need in there, and it's really easy. I just used my foot to open that up. Now, the big game changer, and I'm sure some people have seen it out there, but the really cool reclining seats. So they're easy, just pull them up, they come back like this, and then the headrest pops up. It's got the cool Paragon right in here, the nice design, but just an overall comfortable seat. You got cup holders here. This is just going to be a really cool place for people to chill and hang out with their friends and family. Welcome to the interior of the boat. One of the biggest changes and innovative things that Nautique has done in partnership with Roswell is this tower. Basically, it's an articulating tower that goes up and down. You can use it in any position if you're wakeboarding, wake surfing, anything you want. It's got the nice big bimini on it, good coverage from the sun. It has some zippers in here, so you have some storage for ropes and different things. And then up on top, you also have your storage for your boards, surfboards and wakeboards as well. They got a whole new in-case enclosure here with JL Audio. So there's two 8.8 speakers up in the tower here. Great down lighting that say Nautique. The detail that they came up with is just phenomenal. So another speaker system here with two 8.8s in there, but you can see a nice leather wrap right underneath. Really, really cool. So now we'll go over here. There's a couple buttons over here to bring the tower down. I'll give you a demo on how that works. So I just press the power button and I press the down button at the same time. There are two actuators in each side of the tower, so 4 actuators total. And you just have to hold it, and it's just going to keep coming down. Now, if I wanted to, I could stop it and just leave it right here. And like I said, you can surf or wakeboard in this position, in any position. But we'll keep going, show you how low it actually does get. And they designed it so well that you can have your mirror still up. Mirror does not have to go down when this is all the way down. So that does come all the way down, and if I'm sitting in here, I still have good head height. Like I said, you can still drive the boat, people can still be comfortable. If maybe it's raining out a little bit, you've got a nice big coverage. So this is a really, really cool option with the tower. The other thing they have here is you can see the light, and there's actually a button here, and I can press that button. So if you need clearance to get it into a garage or your lift, you can just press that button, it'll go down. And this automatically comes on, up and down when you shut the boat, on and off. This is just a button that you can manually do it if you'd like. So I wanted to go over just a little bit of the seating. Pretty traditional for their G boats, but they did make a couple little changes. This is a little bit higher here, and then the bench specifically. So the bench comes out to its normal spot. So this is normally where this spot would be. You can have it in this position. It does have a lock, so there's a little button here. I can push it back and forward, keep it up. But they added one more spot. So as we go back, this seat does pop up, but now it's all in line, which is kind of a neat little thing that they did. Quick little change. Really, really nice design feature. Just like all Nautiques, everything's on hinges. Beautiful sea deck all the way through. Subfloor ballast. There's lights that are on underneath there so you can see everything if it's a little darker. You've still got the great storage underneath here as well. And that's where they actually put the batteries. The physical batteries themselves are down in there. You see a 12-inch subwoofer. There's actually another 12-inch subwoofer up in the bow. And then they also added the optional subs in the back, so called the wake sub. So there's actually two more 12-inch subwoofers in the back of the boat. So you have a total of 4 12-inch JL subwoofers. Still got the nice cooler in the floor. They do have a new cooler, that Nautique, kind of a cool emblem in there, and then the cool emblem at the bottom as well. So I wanted to go over this new design here at the Helm. Traditionally with the G's, they've had just the one screen, the 12.4-inch link pan array, which they still have, but they did add another screen here. What they did is they took all your vitals from this screen and just popped them onto here. So this is all the things you just kind of need to know. It's always right there. You can always see it. And then in here, what they did is when I want to do surfing or wakeboarding, I can come into here, click on which one I want. I want to surf. Now it's sitting at surfing. And one of the big changes they did that we really like here is my shape selection. So right now it's sitting at 5, and if I click on it, it actually is going to go all the way to 10. So you can see how the wave is moving as you bring it down. So how aggressive you want to be or tame you want to be, you're able to make those changes. So they made it pretty easy, which is nice. So everything else is in here, which is really great. This is a great design feature. And as we come to the bow, a little bit of a design difference here. You still have the nice big bow. They made some armrests. They made it a little bit wider here as well. We got the sun pad filler, but now they have 2 pieces to it. So this one does still flip over, and it has the sea deck underneath. You can pop them both out if you like. But really nice design. I can hop out of the boat without stepping on any of my cushions. That is the G23 Paragon. It's a beautiful looking boat. We have one here. This is our stock boat in Minnesota. Come on down to MarineMax of Rogers and get a closer look, or call us and make an appointment. As always, click the like button and also click to subscribe.